How's it going, everyone? I'm Andrew with SpeedTech Lights, and today we'll be going over our Stop Tail Turn K-Force 47 TIR full-size light bar. When you get your light bar out of the box, you'll have your light bar go into your cable harness here, and then here you'll have a connector, and this is to be used with our optional Supreme control box, or you can cut this off and hardwire if you'd like to. And then you'll have your night mode cable here, which will activate the red backlight LEDs on your switch box. Then you'll have your aux cable here, where you can hook up to 10 amps of extra lighting off of your Supreme control box. And then here you'll have your stop tail turn cables, which you'll use to activate your stop tail turn functionality. And then you'll have your main power and ground cables, which you'll run to your vehicle battery. When it comes to activating the stop tail turn functionality of your light bar, you'll have your stop tail turn cable coming off of your cable harness. So here, your black cable will activate your right module, your red cable will activate your left module, and your yellow cable will activate both of your stop tail turn modules. So here, I'm using our optional Supreme control box plugged in via connector. Now on your Supreme control, slide position 1 will activate the back of your light bar, slide position 2 will activate the front of your light bar, and slide position 3 will activate the light bar in 360 mode. And then here you have your mode button, so I'm in mode 1, and then if I activate this button, I'll be in mode 2, where I can have a secondary flash pattern programmed. And you do have dual memory functionality in slide position 1, 2, and 3. And then here you have your pattern changer, which I'll use to change flash patterns. And then here you have your aux button, which you can use to hook up 10 amps of extra lighting off of your Supreme control box with your aux cables. And then here you have your takedown, alley, and cruise functionalities, and you'll see that those modules will activate in steady burn. And we do offer a multicolor upgrade here to where those will flash the warning color of your light bar, and then they'll activate clear when you activate those functions. And then here you have your dim button, which will dim the LEDs of your light bar. And then here you have your center out, right left, and left right traffic advisor on the back of your light bar. And then here you have your backlight button, which will activate the red backlight LEDs on your switch box. And you can activate the backlight LEDs via the button here or your night mode cable. Now I did bring an amber color model here for example, but we do offer these light bars in amber, red, blue, green, and clear, in solid, half-half, and alternating color setups. And if you do need a custom color setup for your vehicle, you can use our customization tool. When it comes to activating the backlight LEDs on your switch box, you can use your backlight LED button here, or you can use your white cable to hardwire this function. Now if you use your white cable, your button will become inactive. So you can either use your white cable to hardwire, or you can use the button on your control box. When it comes to mounting your light bar, you'll have your pre-attached light bar feet here, which are adjustable along the bottom slide track of your light bar. And then you'll have your included universal gutter mount brackets, and we do offer optional vehicle-specific gutter mount brackets as well. And then you'll also see our optional headache rack mount brackets and our optional permanent stud mount brackets. And to attach these, you'll remove your light bar feet and use the existing hardware here. So that covers our Stop Tail Turn K-Force 47 TIR full-size light bar. Make sure to watch the flash pattern video to see all of the flash patterns that are included with this unit, and also use our interactive player to fully demo your light bar online. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks.